What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get an audio visualizer for your desktop on Windows 10. Let's get right into it. So first things first, you're going to want to go down into the description of this video and grab yourself the two files. The first file being Rain Meter Beta and the second file being Audio Visualizer. So to get things started, we are going to want to run the Rain Meter Beta and continue with the installation. Go ahead and press Standard Installation. Click Next. You do not want to launch Rain Meter on startup unless of course you always want this to be here, but we're going to assume for the purposes of this video you only want this sometimes. Press Install. Press Yes on the shield. It's a very short installation, and then press Finish and make sure you go ahead and click Run Rain Meter. Now when Rain Meter first appears, you are going to see these boxes on your screen. We're going to assume that you don't want these. We're going to go ahead and ignore all of them. You want to right click on the box, go to Variants, and then click on the box that is checked. If you want to keep these, of course you can, but I am not going to keep these. Okay, so once you have that taken care of, we are going to want to run the Audio Visualizer. Again, this is a very short installation process. All you need to make sure you do is uncheck Load Included Skins and press Install. After it is installed, we can begin the setup process. To set up your visualizer, you want to go down into the bottom right hand corner of your screen and click on this arrow. You want to find the raindrop icon that says Rain Meter, right click, and select Manage. After you select Manage, you should see this screen right here. You will have Illustro, and you will have the Monstercat Visualizer. Under Monstercat Visualizer, you want to select the visualizer.ini and press Load. This white bar will appear on your screen, and you can go ahead and move this wherever you want it. This is going to be the visualizer. After you see that, you can go ahead and close out of this menu. In order to set up your visualizer, you right click on the white bar, open Settings, and this menu will appear on your screen. Of course, you can change the visualizer scale, you can make it smaller, you can make it larger. You can change whether or not it shows song info and how big it is. It can change the height. You can change the rotation angle. So if you want it to be sideways like this, you can also do that. We're going to keep it flat. You can change what media player it uses. And then you can fine-tune your visualizer. You can go ahead and change how wide your bars are. You can change how big the gap between your visualizer bars are. You can change how many bars you have. You can even change the sensitivity that your bars will bounce to. Now I cannot test my visualizer right now because of my recording software, but at the end of this video I will show you a demonstration. You can even change the color of your visualizer. I'm going to go ahead and pick blue, and you can change the text for if it shows song info. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like and a comment, and if you're new, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.